Are you experiencing breakage, hair loss, and thinning? Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make this powerful hair growth treatment that you can use on your hair and scalp. Your hair will grow like crazy after using it. So keep watching and enjoy the video. To make the treatment, we will be needing a couple of ingredients. The first ingredient we have is cloves. We will be needing whole cloves. So if you haven't yet used cloves and you have issues like dandruff, hair loss, bald spots, hair thinning, flaky scalp, I don't know what you are waiting for. Cloves are very beneficial for our hair and scalp, especially if you're struggling to grow your hair. If you have thinning hair and you want to increase thickness, then you need to start using ingredients like cloves, and you will never regret. I have been using cloves since the time I started my hair growth journey. So we will also be needing cinnamon. Here we have some cinnamon sticks. This is what I have. If you have other cinnamon sticks, just feel free to use them. Cinnamon is another powerful ingredient I started incorporating to my hair care routine, and it has really helped me to increase my hair thickness. So if you haven't also tried cinnamon, you can incorporate them to your hair care routine. I have done a lot of videos with cinnamon. You can use it to make oil or spray. So if you have thinning edges and you want to increase thickness, applying cinnamon spray or oil on that area is going to increase thickness. We will also be needing flaxseed. So I'm making use of brown type of flaxseed. You can also use the other type. There are other types. There is golden and brown. So just feel free to use any that you have. Flax seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for both scalp and hair. So using flax seeds to your hair is going to increase hair thickness as well as helping to maintain hair health. So if your hair is weak and you want to increase shine, then adding flax seeds to your hair care routine will be a great idea. So right now I'm gonna be transferring the ingredients to a pot. Starting off with flaxseed, I'm just adding 1.5 tablespoon. There is no any specific measurement to use. I'm just adding what will be enough for my treatment. For the cloves, I'm not going to add a lot. Cloves are very powerful and strong, so you don't need to use a lot. And also for the cinnamon, I'm just gonna add like 3 to 4 sticks. So once I'm done adding the ingredients to the pot, now I'm going to be adding just 1 cup of water, and then I'm gonna transfer the ingredients to a stove and allow them to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. So as you can see, it is started boiling, and the gel has also started forming. So I didn't add a lot of flaxseed because I did not want the treatment to be too thick. So if you want yours to be thick, you can as well add like 2 to 3 tablespoons. So I went ahead and removed everything from heat and allowed them to cool down a little bit. You don't need to keep this to cool for so many minutes, because if you keep it, it's going to be thick and it will be difficult to strain out. So as you can see, it is not that thick. I'm just using a piece of cloth to strain out. You can also use a strainer because this is not thick. Now after straining out, this is how it's looking like. Not thick, not runny. So now I'm gonna transfer everything to this applicator bottle, and after that I'm going to be showing you guys how I use it on my hair. Just keep watching and enjoy the video. So this is how my hair looks right now. It is really tangled. So today I'm going to be taking down all these twists. They are 3 weeks old. So the reason why I made this treatment is to help me detangle and take down my twist without experiencing breakage. As you know that this treatment has flaxseed, which is beneficial, especially when it comes to detangling our hair. It helps to provide sleep and ease the detangling process. As you can see, first I wet each twist at a time. The first twist I sprayed the treatment and make sure that it is well saturated, and then I took down that twist slowly. And now I'm using my fingers to finger detangle carefully in order to avoid unnecessary breakage. Once I'm done with that section, I'm gonna be twisting it, and then I will proceed to the next twist. I'm going to be repeating this same process until I complete all sections of my hair. As you can see, my hair is really tangled at the ends, so I'm just taking time and with gentle. I apply this and then it helps to provide sleep, and then I go in with my fingers, detangle carefully. So I'm not going to be using any detangling tools. I'm okay with using my fingers. Maybe I can use it when my hair feels softer or when I finger detangle well. This treatment is beneficial, especially if you want to do pre-poo, if you want to detangle your hair before you shampoo. The treatment is also beneficial. You can use it as a leave-in. It's not necessarily to use it as a pre-poo. I just wanted to use it as a pre-poo today. Most of the time I make this kind of treatment and use it as a leave-in. So if you decide to use it as a leave-in, it is better to follow with your leave-in conditioner and then a hair butter in order to seal and lock that moisture and to prevent your hair from drying out. So we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed, and if so, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.